Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, then languages, add keyboard, and here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek language, and then just tap done. And now let's try to write something down in the Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.